Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and tools. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your PC can control system settings. Install ADB Android Debug Bridge on your computer. SDK platform tools are fine, and connect the phone with a USB cable. Once connected, run a DB devices to confirm the device appears. This proves the host can send commands. Doing this up front prevents delays later, so make sure drivers are installed and the device is authorized before moving on. Once the connection is verified, enter a DB shell and send the removal commands that toggle the navigation bar. You can use settings put global immersive. Navigation equals apps to hide the bar for apps or CMD overlay commands on newer Android versions. Pick the command your ROM supports. Make sure to target the correct flag, immersive. Navigation hides only the bar while immersive. Full hide status and navigation. After running the command, restart the foreground app to see the change and confirm the behavior across multiple apps. To finalize, reboot the device so system services apply the new configuration consistently. Some builds require a restart for persistence. If you need to revert, run a DB settings put global immersive. Navigation null or restore the original overlay state. Make sure to check vendor gesture settings and third-party launchers if the bar still appears, because OEM overlays or accessibility services can override ADB changes. If commands fail, recheck USB authorization and Android version compatibility before retrying so you avoid accidental lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.